Good morning, students. Today, I welcome you back to our online classes. And today, we are going to start with our chapter that is more on MS Access. What we are going to study? We are going to study on more on MS Access. So, more on MS Access means that we have already studied few things about MS Access, like creating a table, forms, different forms, views, and we have learned that. So now when we are learning something new, in that way we are going on more on MS Access. So what we have already learned, let's begin with it. We have learned how to create a table, maintain a record in a database, okay? So first of all, I would like to repeat the steps like to open MS Access. First of all, you have to click on the start button. Then you have to go on Microsoft Office. After clicking on the Microsoft Office, you have to go on MS Access. Any version which you are having, the way would be same to open it, right? Today we are going to learn the way to create a form. Today we are going to learn something about a form. Let's see what is a form. Form are used to add, edit and display data from the table in a user-friendly manner. Okay, whenever you want to add something, you want others to add something. While creating a form, you can choose the field to be displayed and how you want to display them. Means you are having a different forms. If you want name and then to be written, or name or down the answer to be written, it is completely on you. There are different form views like form view, design view and layout view. So before going for the theoretical things, let's go for a practical one. Okay, let's start with it. Okay, I'll tell you how to open all the things again. First of all, what we were thinking about is we have to click on the start button. After clicking on the start button, we have to go on MS Office, right? Then we have to go on MS Access. Okay, this is how I have done it. Then in the last chapter, we have already studied about is how to create it blank database. We will name it class 8. We will click on create. Okay, this is how we have created it. Now this is our table. We have already studied about it. This is our table. We are having two types of view, data sheet view and design view. Okay, but now we want to learn the new ways. Let's see what is it. We have to click on create. So what we need to create? We need to create is a form. So we will click on the form. See what it is asking. You must save the table one before you can create a new object based on it. Okay. It is very important to save a table before making a form on it. Okay. I will click a yes option to it and the name I have done. See, it has created the name for me. I will give it a name. What I want to create is a serial number over here. I want serial number in my form. So I'll write serial number. Okay. Now I have done with it. I need to add few more columns in it. So how to create a few more columns? See at your right side, you are able to see ID1 where serial number was written. In it, you have to click on enter option and see you have got a new option. Okay. So I will write name in it. What I will write? I will write name in it. Then I will click on again enter. And now I want a option that is, now I want a option there should be a class. So this is how I am creating a form. Now for example, if I don't want a class option, I'll just go on the ID part and I will come to this part and I will click on delete option and see it has been deleted. And to make it sure that if I have deleted it by mistake, I can click Control Z or a undo option. Okay, so this is how we create a form, right? Now in the form also we are having a different types of views. What are the views? The view is form view. When I'm going to click on the form view, everything is going to disappear and only the form will be visible. When I'll go on the layout view, see on the layout view, I'm able to see the form available in this view. I can edit the table. This is the way I was working. Okay. Then in it, we are having a design view, that what is the design we have designed with it. So this is how we work in it. Okay. Simply we work in a layout view. Now, with it, I would like to tell you, we can even change the layout, that if we want different things, like I can put a logo in it. Like I want to put a logo, I will click on the logo option. After that, I will click on the pictures which I am having, and I'll select any of the picture and I'll put it as a logo, whatever I would feel like. Then I can give a title name to it. I will click on title name and see, I will give it a name, participation form, right? So this is it, how I have given the name. Even I can add a column of date, any time and time. I will click on OK and it will add date and time with me. See, participation form is there and the date and time is visible over here. So this is how we are creating the form with the different things. So today we are going to study only this much. Thank you class. We will meet soon. Until then, revise everything.